Let's talk about the most basic scale of the gralla. You're going to start by putting all 6 fingers on the front, and you're going to put your thumb on the bottom hole like this. Make sure they're all covered, and you want to use the middle soft pad of your finger to make sure you properly cover the whole of the hole. If you leave part of the hole uncovered, it might squeak, it might sound a bit weird. So cover all the holes and play your first note. This lowest note is called a G if you're like me and you're from the UK. If you're from Catalonia, you'll call it a sol. As we go up, we're going to play G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and a high G. Or in Catalonian terms, sol, la, si, do, re, mi, fa, high sol. So let's play those notes one by one, lifting up each finger in turn. Let's quickly talk about playing that high note, because you've got no fingers on the instrument. So how do you hold the instrument? The answer is, you should hold most of the weight of the instrument with your thumb at the bottom here with your right hand. You can balance the instrument in place with your little finger, and then when this is in your mouth, you've got 3 points of contact to keep it stable. Easy as that. That means the rest of your fingers are relaxed to lift them up and off the holes as you please. The fingers bearing the load of the instrument are the thumb and the little finger here and your mouth. Let's try playing the basic scale going down, starting from the high sol or the high G. And that's your basic scale. Have a go, happy practicing!